Hello guys, I'm Tony, and in this video I will show you how to update your LND Lightning Network Daemon written in Go into the newest release. So in my previous videos I was showing how to create a raspiblitz, how to use the command line in raspiblitz, how to create some transactions, pay for invoices, like connect to peers, create channels. And in this video I will show you how to update the LND, which is Lightning Network Daemon, basically the core behind your Lightning Network node. So once in a time LND is getting a new release, as we can see on the screen right now. So I will be installing LND versus 0.6 beta, and I will be checking, verifying the release if it's a legit one. I will be doing it from the pre-built package on the Raspberry Pi, so ARM version 7. I won't be building the release from the source code, but there is a possibility of just taking the source code and building your own release on your own device from it, but I won't be doing that. I will be using the pre-built version, and I will be verifying it as an option. Yeah, in this in every release you've got some release notes. They are saying what's added, what was managed in the latest version. So we've got reject and channel caches, and we've got graceful shutdown, static channel backup, very important feature in this release, sorry, backup and recovery methods for it. What's more, performance enhancements. So for big nodes there are some performance enhancements there. I think if you are interested in that, you can read it all. But what's important here is the assets. I mean, those are those pre-built packages. And as I said, I will be using this one, so just copy the link address if you would like to build it, and I will be showing how to build it right now. So I am going back to my console. I'm in my raspiblitz terminal. I'm going to console because I enjoy using console. And first let's check what version of LND we have right now. So LND version is different than version of your raspiblitz, because right now I'm running 1.1 on the raspiblitz, but 1.2 will have this LND version built in as a default, but I would have to wait for it to the creator of raspiblitz to like create the package, like post it online and test it. And meantime, I can just use version 1.1 without the LND 0.6 and just update it manually from the console, as I'm doing right now. So as I said, I'm right now on 0.5.2 beta on my LND and 1.1 raspiblitz. So the first step would be to go to the downloads folder. Okay. So I'm in the directory of like downloaded files. It's good to have the clean setup on your Raspberry Pi. And first thing I will do is I will get the this package that I just copied. So I will do the command wget and this link that I told you to copy from the website, from the GitHub. So let's do that. Okay, and from now on I will be showing you optional steps. So from now on I will be showing optional steps to verify it. You don't have to do it for it to work, but it's just a good practice. So let's paste the manifest for it. Now next step will be to get another manifest in other file, download the PGP key of the creator of this manifest, and now we will start verifying it. So we have to check the manifest. It's okay, so that's great. Now we would like to show the PGP keys of the creator. So let's paste it. Okay, here we have the PGP key. We have to import the key and check the manifest. And the fingerprint is the same, so yeah, it's all good. Now, next step, this isn't optional, this is what you have to do. We have to unpack it into our folder from the tar.gz package. So yeah, it's unpacked. Now let's install it. Of course, all those commands will be in the description. If you are interested in how to do it, just go into the description. I will basically list all those commands in the description of this video. So let's install it. So it's sudo install -m0755-o root-g root-t and user local bin and our localization of this unpacked file. And now I will check the version. And yay, we've got LND version 0.6.0 beta commit 0.6 beta. Okay, so I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Just be sure that to turn off your LND before doing all those steps. So your LND, Lightning Network Daemon, should be shut down before creating those steps. I forget to tell you about it, but it's pretty important. If you have some channels on it, it's better to turn it off before doing those steps. And of course, after doing those steps, you have to reboot your node to start on the newest LND version. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button underneath and subscribe for more videos like that if you are interested in those videos. Have a great day and see you later. Bye.